Now, this was my face early last year, and this was what I struggled with. I struggled with acne, hyperpigmentation, and textured skin. Now, these are the steps I took to get a clear skin, and these are pictures for evidence to back up my claims, because some of you can argue. So I started off with acne treatment using the salicylic acid and niacinamide. I have a video already on my channel of how I use these two products, salicylic acid and niacinamide, to clear my acne. So if you haven't seen that video yet, here is the thumbnail of the video. Kindly check it out, then come back to this video to help you gain more knowledge on what I'm talking about. While consistently using these two products in my routine, the acne started fading out. In fact, it's completely cleared out, and I was left with dark spots all over my face. So as you can see in this video, I don't really have any active acne. I just have dark spots here and there. So it was now time to focus on the hyperpigmentation and dark spots. But that doesn't mean that I completely neglected my salicylic acid and my niacinamide. Now, this is how I was able to fade the dark spots. I was in the second bottle of my salicylic acid cleanser and like in the third or fourth bottle of my niacinamide serum when I started seeing results. So after exhausting those products, I didn't get the clean and clear salicylic acid cleanser anymore. I got the Balance Active 10% AHA plus 2% BHA with texturizing serum. I'm going to leave a picture. Now, this is a chemical exfoliant that has 10% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. So you see, salicylic acid was still in the picture. And then I did not get the Balance Active niacinamide serum anymore because I noticed that it wasn't doing anything for my hyperpigmentation. I got the Thiam B3 sauce with 10% niacinamide and 2% alpha arbutin, and then I started using Koji Sunlightening soap on my face. So as you can see with this routine, salicylic acid is still there and niacinamide is still there. So I would use the Koji Sunlightening soap on my face and let it sit for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on how much my skin can tolerate. The first 2 weeks of usage, I used it every day because I was desperate, and it actually worked. And this is the main reason why I swear by this soap when it comes to treating dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Then on days that I'm not using the Koji Sunlightening soap, I exfoliate my skin 2 to 3 times weekly using the Balance Active 10% AHA plus 2% BHA serum. Now, this product contains glycolic acid, and glycolic acid helps to brighten your skin, fix dark spots, as well as improve your skin texture. Now, this particular product really improved my skin texture. Like, my skin became very smooth. The tiny bumps I used to deal with before, I wasn't seeing them any longer. And it also helped with my hyperpigmentation, the dark spots. So after using this chemical exfoliant, I layer it with my niacinamide serum, the Thiam niacinamide serum that contains 2% alpha arbutin. So this was when I noticed great change in my skin. Like, my skin cleared out. Like, there was no acne, no dark spots. My skin texture was smooth. Now again, there is a detailed video of how I was able to treat my dark spots. Feel free to check it out for a better understanding. With this, I was okay with my results. I could have just decided to stop right there and just keep using what I was using to maintain like the skin that I've gotten. But as a skincare junkie now, and as a skincare content creator that I am, still need to try other things, try other products just to make review and know what they are about, because that's my job. So that was when I decided to go higher in my chemical exfoliant. I got the ordinary peeling solution. This was a stronger chemical exfoliant with 30% AHA, 30% glycolic acid, and 2% BHA, salicylic acid. So this was so strong, I wasn't using it 3 times a week. I was using it once weekly, sometimes twice weekly. So I didn't even finish the bottle of that one. I had to go back to my Balance Active chemical exfoliant because that one was milder on my skin, and I decided to try out tretinoin. Tretinoin now finished the whole work for me, and this is how my skin is looking right now. Before you jump and go and start using tretinoin, make sure you watch the video I made about tretinoin, please. It's a detailed video that will show you how to start using tretinoin in your skincare routine to avoid irritation. This wasn't a month or 2 months job. It took me over a year of consistency to get this result. Other than skincare, other things play a huge role on your skin. Lifestyle factors, diet, hormonal factors, and even genetics. But these were the skincare steps I took that helped transform my skin completely. Like, can you see the difference? So guys, if there was something you did not understand in this video, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please like this video, it is very important, and also share. So until I see you in my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye, and thanks for watching.